In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a metered subscription in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. This is where you'll manage your products, pricing, customers, and subscriptions. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. This section is where Stripe stores the products and prices you offer, including recurring billing options. From here, you can either create a brand new product or open an existing product that you want to use for metered billing. If you're setting this up for the first time, creating a new product helps keep things organized. If the product already exists, you can simply add a new price to it or adjust the one you already have. Next, add a new recurring price or edit an existing recurring price if you're updating something you've already set up. This is the key part of the process because the price determines how the subscription will bill over time. In the pricing settings, make sure you choose a usage-based or metered billing model instead of a fixed recurring price. That tells Stripe that the customer's invoice should be based on how much they use, rather than charging the same amount every billing cycle. After that, configure the rest of the pricing details. This includes the usage calculation method, the billing period, the currency, and any other pricing options available in your setup. Take a moment here to review everything carefully, because these settings affect how usage is measured and how customers are billed. Choosing the correct configuration now can help prevent invoicing issues later. Once everything looks right, click Save or Create Price. At this point, your metered price is ready to be used in a subscription. Now, go to Customers and open the customer who will use this metered subscription. Inside that customer's profile, create a new subscription and select the metered price you just created. This links the customer to the usage-based pricing model, so Stripe knows how to bill them going forward. Then, save the subscription. After the subscription is active, the final part is to record and report customer usage as it happens. This step is essential because Stripe uses the reported usage data to calculate each invoice automatically. If usage isn't recorded properly, the invoice may not reflect the customer's actual activity. And that's it. You've now set up a metered subscription in Stripe, from creating the product and price to assigning it to a customer and preparing it for usage reporting. Thanks for watching.